Where are you going?
Signore, where are we going?
Tokyo, Japan.
Yes, let's do it. Pogi, where are you? We're here in Japan. Guys, yes, we're here in Japan. So, kadarating lang namin ni Daddy. So, we're here in Tokyo. Dito kami pumunta and medyo nagutom kami ni Daddy sa biyahe. So, we're gonna look for pagkain or dinner. So, tingnan natin kung anong mahanap natin, guys, ha. Let's go. Sa mga video na napapanood ko online, I'm very curious regarding sa 7-Eleven ng Japan. Kung totoo ba talaga yung mga nakikita namin sa video. So, we're gonna try 7-Eleven. Bubi!
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, so, tatry natin yung 7-Eleven. So, let's see what we can find there, okay?
Sold out.
Sold out na ata, guys. Medyo hindi na puno yung mga nila stall kasi gabi na eh. So it's around 10 o'clock here already. And we're trying to find yung mabibili natin. Pero we're gonna try 7-Eleven again. Right now kasi it's already night, no? Right, Bubi? So, it's already night. So, medyo na yung mga stock nila, paubos na. But, there's another day. Okay? Pero maghahanap pa rin tayo. So, namimili na kami ni Daddy. So, we got potato. Yan, guys. So, hindi na masyadong puno yung nila. Siguro tomorrow, magkakasound sila. But, we're trying to find what we can have. Okay? Kuha akong basket, guys. Bubi. So, ayan, guys. We're back in our room. Guys, yung room namin. Ang liit lang niya, di ba? Pero, it's so cute. Kasi napakalinis. Tingnan nyo naman, kompleto. Big TV. Yung bed namin, sakto lang. Tapos ito yung mga pinamili natin kanina sa 7-Eleven. Then, also, tingnan nyo naman, guys, ang toilet and shower. Tinry ko yung toilet. Totoo pala talaga, guys, sa Japan. Automatic ang kanilang bidet. And look at this. Meron pa kaming bathtub, Grabe, warm yung water sa bidet. Nakakatawa. Totoo pala yung mga yung mga nasa video. So, the seat is warm as well. So, we like this hotel. We're here in APA Hotel Roppongi 6 and usually naman talaga, guys, kasi maliliit ang kwarto sa sa Japan. But 'di ba? For staying around, it's very nice kasi the whole day naman is maglalakad naman kami, lagi naman kami nasa labas. So usually dito lang kami sa kwarto para magpahinga. So guys, tara, let's try our food from 7-Eleven. Yan, guys. So ito try natin yung mga pinamili namin sa sa 7-Eleven. I got this noodles, tapos talagyan mo siya ng mainit na tubig. It's called vermicelli soup with wonton dumplings. So try natin itong mga pinamili namin ni Daddy. Wait lang, guys, ayusin ko lang itong noodles. Yan.
Guys, din nakatingin si Daddy. Kinain niya na yung egg noodle, egg sandwich. Yan, he's having egg sandwich. How's the finish already? Pero it's very good. I had one bite. So, ibablog natin uli yung famous egg sandwich na yan, guys. So, ito, naglagay na ako ng water. Tapos ito, this is like tuna in lettuce with black pepper and mayonnaise. Tikman natin, guys, ha.
Tuna, chicken.
Chicken pala. Hindi pala siya tuna. Guys, totoo ang balita. Masarap ang pagkain sa 7-Eleven sa Japan. It's very good. Sabi sa 7-Eleven ng Japan.
Eggs.
Daddy got burrito and potato salad, and also we got also some macaroni and bacon salad plus noodles and some chips. So which one you want to try? Burrito?
Burrito, potato, and everything.
Oh, try niya yung burrito niya sa yung potato. Move over here.
This be
Oh,
should be
eto na guys. So medyo luto na ata yung noodles natin. Sandali. So Daddy's eating already. How's the potato salad? It's good daw. Oh, diba?
Can I have the noodles?
Okay, yeah.
Not noodles, no.
So,
No.
which one?
Macaroni.
Macaroni. So, ito try niya yung macaroni. This is the macaroni, guys. Ito naman yung, potato salad. Ayan. So, here's the potato. You want to try the macaroni? No. Potato is finished. Hindi pa ako nakaka-umpisa siya, tapos na. So, ito, guys. This is what I wanna try. Itong kanilang wonton soup. Vermicelli wonton soup. So, try natin, guys. This one. Looks good. I'm swearing ang fake video ng mura. I'm swearing. So, we're gonna try the potato salad, guys. Kung anong verdict. Kung masarap ba. Did you like the potato salad? It's cold here pala, guys. The weather right now here in Japan is quite chilly. So, medyo malamig. What is the temperature? It's around,
No, it's this room. What is it?
10 to 11. Yeah, even outside. It's chilly outside, guys. Mmm!
Suntory beer. Very good.
Masarap, guys, yung potato salad. Yum, yum. What's it?
Chips.
Oh.
That's the last thing I have, no?
This is Daddy's 7-Eleven Premium Tic Kat potato chips with butter flavor.
Open it.
Pag masarap to, guys, bibili kami. Tapos papasalubog sa bahay. Sarap! Yum, yum. So, guys, totoo ang balita na masarap ang food sa 7-Eleven. Kanina, guys, wala nang masyadong option sa mga stall kasi gabi na. It's already around 10 o'clock here. So, kaya na rin siguro wala nang stock. So, kaya babalik tayo uli sa 7-Eleven. Pero, 11 na pala kasi 10 na eh. O, 1 hour ahead pala ang Tokyo sa Philippines. So, babalik tayo ng 7-Eleven pero in the morning para yung may delivery talaga. Very good. Yan, guys, where I'm trying the potato chips of Daddy. Ito yung butter flavor. So far, masarap siya. Pero meron akong sarili. Dali lang. Try natin.
You can taste the butter.
Good. Seaweeds naman yun sa akin. Pero gusto ko yung seaweeds. So, I'm gonna try this one as well. Ito nung lasa. Masarap yung butter in fairness. Ang sarap! Seaweed flavor, guys. Kata nyo ba? Recommended. And also this mango soda. So, ito yung bubbly soda sa kanila.
Is there bubbly mango soda?
None. But this one is okay. Hindi siya totally lasang-lasang mango. Pero so far, okay naman.
for today. We'll see you tomorrow again. Good night.